Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a DIY sort of upcycle, I think you could call it upcycle type of video. So you guys remember from two of my Poundland hauls recently that I got the Poundland these storage boxes, and I said that I wanted to use them to store the kids' toys. Basically I decided, because I'm redecorating the boys' room, I felt like the toy boxes were a little bit plain, and I was in Poundland a while back and I saw these like glitter dots, these ones, but originally I saw the silver ones and I wanted to get the silver ones. Then the silver ones were gone. Basically I just got an idea to stick these glitter dots on the storage boxes so that I can just give it more style and like just make the boys' room have more colour instead of just dark blue. So let's get on with the DIY. Also in my DIY video, I said that I used one of the boxes to store like the boys' nappies. Again, I feel like it's just sitting there and it's really plain. And I'm just someone who I love colour. Okay, I love colour in my home, and I want to implement more of that. And trust me, I'm going to be showing you a lot of videos of me implementing more colours in my home. So that was it guys for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the way it's like I've put the toy boxes back in the kids' room. I love the way it looks. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more DIY haul videos, because before, when I started my channel, I started doing like DIY clothes video, but I want to do like crafts and like sketching and stuff, because that is my background, like back in like my during like secondary school and like late primary school. I was a sketcher, and like I just want to go back into doing that, and I want to like implement that into my channel as well. So expect more of those videos. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the subscribers that have subscribed. I am thankful, and just thank you for subscribing, wanting to see my face. I absolutely appreciate it. Take care of yourselves guys, as I always ask, and yeah, see you next time.